shelter. Protect your loved ones. Oh God, looking at the map. The world as we know it is over. Get everything you can and get to safety. This is the end.
Welcome back to another episode of Frenchie's Forge. In this episode, we are finally going to start the Apocalypse Challenge build. 8 days and counting. Good job, Matt. Great time management. I got a little caught up in working on these two Damascus blades. Kind of lost track of time forging these out and messing with these two blades, which is okay. I'm glad that I spent the time doing them. They both turned out really cool, and I learned tons of stuff. If you haven't seen the build video of these, go check them out. Damascus by hand is a ton of fun. And it's actually got challenges, but it's not as hard as you may think. If you have not done it and you're wanting to do it, I say go do it. I believe in you. You can do it. So with these out of the way from last week, let's jump into making this apocalyptic type weapon. I had a really cool idea, and I don't think I'm going to have time to do it, but I do have another idea that I can build relatively quickly and still be a formidable opponent on the apocalyptic battlefield. Let's get into it.
Yeah.